A bunch of people have ordered the Cybertruck. I know a few of my friends have ordered the Cybertruck. It's a very weird car. Either you really like it or you really hate it. There really isn't a in-between for a design like the Cybertruck. Now, if you go on the official website, you do see the truck. It looks like this, very simple, looks very good. But when it's on the road, in production mode, it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna be a little bit different. So we check out some of the leaked pictures of a Cybertruck. Seems pretty cool looking. Now you do have this beautiful exterior. It looks really nice. You do see it got the mirrors. The wheels are also a little bit different from the one on the site, but I guess you could definitely customize it. Now the windshield wiper, you do see that's one continuous wiper, which Musk has said that's not going to be the case. When it hits production mode, when it gets shipped out to first, customers by the end of the year, it's probably going to have a different type of wiper. It's not going to be like this, probably two wipers. So they will be changing things up, but overall it will look pretty similar to the original concept Cybertruck. They're not going to shift it too much, but keep in mind that some of the things like the headlights, the taillights, and the side mirrors are going to be changed a bit so it can actually be street legal. If you check this out, Musk confirms that the massive wiper design is going to be different. Now, the production of the Cybertruck was incredible, according to Musk a few weeks ago. The overall design looks pretty good. Now, there's some people saying that some of the concept models rolled out to show people looks very low quality. But then there's also a few of the cars, for example, the one in Manhattan that they showcased it off, and also the few Cybertrucks that people found driving on the streets. Those actually look very high quality. Like, the exterior exoskeleton looks very nice. There wasn't a lot of crappy, bad quality issues. Overall, the Cybertruck looks pretty solid, especially if you want a really, really big SUV type of car. Now, big production is not going to start until 2024. I mean, people have been waiting for this for a very long time, but for the people who order it, the day it was announced, you're probably going to be getting it sometime this summer. So lucky for you. So definitely we're going to be seeing a lot of car view channels, a lot of papers talk about Cybertruck. If the very first few production models are very good with great reviews, then people will continue with the ordering of the Cybertruck. How much will it cost is a big issue because if you click order now, you don't really see an option. Now, a few years ago, when you click order now, there was a $40,000 option for the Cybertruck. I remember that very clearly. It was like 250 miles. Here's what I think. With Tesla's prices dropping so much for the Model Y, Model 3, and also SX, all those other stuff, Cybertruck will probably be pretty cheap, but they probably would not be announcing the 250-mile one. The minimum range will probably be their dual motor, the 330-mile range, and they're probably going to be selling this for $55,000, $60,000. They're not going to make the Cybertruck incredibly expensive due to the fact that it is a very unusual car for people with, I guess, very interesting taste. If they made this super expensive, it's going to be a pretty massive turnoff. And recently, Teslas are trying to make their vehicles a little bit more affordable to people so they can really get that market share. They kind of know, all right, that so many other vehicle makers are coming out with EV. So they wouldn't dare to make the Cybertruck like $70,000, $80,000 for a 300-mile range one. So rest assured, if you want to get a Cybertruck, it's not going to be too expensive, but still cost a pretty penny. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe for more.